How to fix Modern Warfare 2 stuttering and FPS drop. 1. Check or review MW2 system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Ensure resolution is not set to auto. Set 100 to display render resolution. 3. Turn off all in-game overlays, Windows game bar and third-party apps. Other tips, 3. Dynamic resolution, VSync, gameplay, and VSync, menus, under the display section, off. 3.3 World Motion Blur and Weapon Motion Blur, off. 3.4 Enable shader optimization in graphics settings. 3.5 Turn off texture streaming. 3.6 Change texture resolutions from high to medium or low, and change quality presets to recommended. 4. Try enabling or disabling NVIDIA DLSS. 5. Set MW2's, say, COD.exe, priority to low. Like this. 6. Allow the COD.exe to use your CPU 0, 1, 2, 3 only. Like this. 7. Check for driver updates, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or, rollback. 8. Do not overclock your PC while playing MW2. 9. Update your chipset driver. 10. Verify integrity of game files on Steam or Battle.net. Like this. 11. Play the MW2 game on an SSD, instead of an external hard disk. 12. Update your MSI. Motherboard BIOS. 13. Clear out cached RAM by running the %winder %system32/rundle32.exe at bappy32.dll process idle tasks. Shortcut. Note, disable non-essential applications. 14. Allow the COD.exe to use your high-performance graphics. Note, enable don't use auto HDR, applicable for HDR monitors. 15. Do not use NVIDIA Instant Replay or Windows Background Recording if you do have enough RAM. 16. Add cog.exe into Manage 3D Settings via NVIDIA Control Panel. Note: select the preferred graphics processor for this program to high-performance NVIDIA processor. Then apply these settings. Low latency mode, off. OpenGL rendering GPU, select your dedicated GPU. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Texture filtering, quality, performance threaded optimization, on virtual reality pre-rendered frames, to Plan B, revert NVIDIA driver back to 522.25 from 5226.27. 17. For AMD CPU player, try these configurations. Radiant anti-lag, disabled. Radiant chill, disabled. Radiant boost, disabled. Radiant image sharpening, off. Radiant enhanced sync, disabled. Wait for vertical refresh, off, unless the application specifies. Frame rate target control, disabled. Anti-aliasing, use application settings. Anti-aliasing method, multi-sampling. Morphological anti-aliasing, disabled. Anisotropic filtering, disabled. Texture filtering quality, performance. Surface format optimization, enabled. Tessellation mode, use application settings. OpenGL triple buffering, disabled. 10-bit pixel format, disabled. 18. Disable core isolation on Windows 11/16. Enable game mode. (17) Try available compatibility settings. 18. Performance boosting launch option, accordingly. Launch option to use, D3, D11, DX11, and DX12. 18.1. For Steam, 18.2 for Battle.net, 19. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling.